Now the stage is set. We have all the elements for a contact form. Now let's say the contact form is done, but it is incomplete without a button. Like say you have to submit the content, right? So I'm gonna have another column, uh, another row and a column, but I have to give call span 2 here, cause just for the button. So I'll say button type is button. Oops. On click alert. Okay, first of all, let's see what happens with this on click. Now you get a submit the form. Now the reason I have this call span 2 is you have rows and like 2 columns in every rows, but there's only a single column here. So this column has to span for 2 columns. So this column is a single column. Now I don't want to align now, we'll see that in the upcoming videos. We'll just click on the submit the form, nothing happens, but we'll do a on click alert form submitted. Now this is when people would say that this is JavaScript. No, alert is not part of JavaScript. This is actually part of browser's DOM. So when I'm gonna click, now this on click pretty much says that when you click on click of this button, call alert and say form submitted. So I'm gonna click, it says form submitted, but it's just a dummy page. I mean, whatever you write, whatever content you make here, this doesn't goes anywhere. Nothing happens to the content. So this is a dummy page. We'll see in the JavaScript courses how this data has moved to the database.